Welcome to Did You Know US-Canada edition. Today we're diving into the fascinating US-Canada relationship. From a border that stretches farther than your imagination to a historical event that almost saw these two nations at war over a pig, here are 10 surprising facts about the US-Canada relationship. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a geographical marvel. Did you know that the US and Canada share the world's longest undefended border? No walls, no heavily armed guards, just miles of peace, stretching 5,525 miles from the Atlantic to the Pacific. A testament to trust and cooperation between these nations. All right, history buffs, buckle up for this one. In 1859, a small event nearly sparked a war between the US and Canada. The catalyst? A pig. An American farmer shot a British farmer's pig. The British threatened action, the US deployed troops, and war seemed inevitable. Thankfully, cooler heads prevailed, and both sides agreed to a joint military occupation. The pig war resulted in no casualties, except for the pig. Let's shift gears to a heartwarming example of US-Canada cooperation. Nestled on Campobello Island, off the coast of Maine, lies the Roosevelt-Campobello International Park. This park is a unique symbol of international collaboration, jointly managed by the US and Canada. It was once the beloved summer home of President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Visitors can explore the Roosevelt Cottage, stroll through the gardens, and learn about the president's connection to this place. When we think of borders, we often imagine lines drawn on land, but what about borders defined by water? The United States and Canada share more than just a land border. They're also connected by vast stretches of water, most notably the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River. These waterways are vital arteries for both nations, crucial for transportation, trade and recreation. Managing these resources requires cooperation. The US and Canada work closely through agreements and organizations to manage these waters responsibly. It's a testament to their understanding that some things are bigger than national boundaries. Let's talk about defense, but not in the way you might expect. Picture this: a vast network of radars, satellites and fighter jets, all working in unison. This is NORAD, the North American Aerospace Defense Command. Established in 1958, NORAD handles aerospace warning and control for North America. For over 6 decades, the US and Canada have been watching the skies together. Forget international flights and work visas. For thousands, working in another country is as simple as driving across a bridge or through a tunnel. Cities like Detroit and Windsor and Buffalo and Fort Erie are prime examples of this cross-border workforce. Imagine the cultural exchange, the normalcy of crossing an international border daily. It challenges our traditional notions of living and working globally. A geographical quirk that'll make you scratch your head. The US-Canada border between Alaska and Yukon is fascinating. On a map, it follows the 141st meridian, a straight line north to south. But due to Earth's curvature, this straight line zigzags on the terrain. Buckle up, car enthusiasts, because this fact is all about wheels and engines. Back in 1965, the US and Canada signed the Auto Pact. This eliminated tariffs on cars, trucks and auto parts. The result? A boom in cross-border trade and a more integrated industry. Next time you're on the road, many cars you see are a testament to US-Canada cooperation. Let's take a detour to Washington, D.C. and uncover a hidden gem about the US-Canada relationship. Nestled amongst the grand embassies, you'll find the Canadian Embassy. This isn't just any embassy, it's the only one on Pennsylvania Avenue connecting the White House and the Capitol. The building, with its distinctive curved facade and white granite exterior, is affectionately called the Igloo. We're wrapping up with a tale that's both bizarre and fascinating. In 2012, the world watched in disbelief as news broke of the great maple syrup heist in Canada. Thieves stole $18 million worth of syrup from a reserve in Quebec, highlighting its significance. So there you have it. 10 surprising facts about the US-Canada relationship that hopefully made you see our neighbours to the north in a whole new light. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share and subscribe to Did You Know for more amazing facts. Until next time, stay curious.